a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome to a Texan Shaves. It's a loud truck outside. I'm waiting for it to leave, but it may get loud. Anyway, so today is my final review of the Ascender Skyline. Absolutely love this razor. I do own the Ascender Eagle R1, which I have right here. Beautiful, amazing titanium machined in the USA razor. This razor is very similar. So here's the case it comes in. I'll show this again. So it comes in this metal case, and it is, I love a substantial case like this. Some people were saying it looks kind of plain. I think this is much better than cardboard. Honestly, it's protective as can be, and absolutely love these substantial cases like this whenever they come in these tins. And so this is how you get it. There'll be some paperwork in here, which I have put away. And so here is the Skyline. Absolutely gorgeous titanium razor machined in the USA. Now, the biggest thing about this, if you own the Eagle and are thinking about the Skyline, I have to be honest with you, other than the handle, it's pretty much the same razor head. There's a few refinements to this one. There are some scallops in the safety bar. Let's see if I can get that for you to look at, which the intention of those from Ross at Ascender Razors was to increase efficiency and also reduce blade feel. The efficiency increase was a marked difference. It wasn't a whole lot, but it was definitely a marked difference. I did notice when I shaved them side by side that the Skyline side shaved a clearer path with a pass. Each pass, it was clearer. As far as the reduction of blade feel, it's very nominal. I didn't notice a whole lot. There was a difference in some shaves. I didn't notice hardly anything, and then other shaves, I had about 6 shaves total with these razors, 2 in comparison, and the rest on its own. Well, more than 6 because I did head shaves also. I'd say it was more like 8 shaves, and the rest of them were on its own with the Skyline. And as far as the blade feel, it's a little bit has to be there. I can feel it sometimes, but it's not a whole lot. So and that's just my own opinion, my own experiences, guys. You may experience something completely different if you plan on getting the Skyline and already have the Eagle. That's just my own personal experience. This razor, both of these razors, the Eagle has always been in my top 3 razors in my den since the day I got it. And I had been preaching to a lot of people about how amazing this razor is. Unfortunately, it sold out, and then the second run sold out. I'm expecting the Skyline to do the same thing. It has not released yet. Hopefully, by the time of this video, it's out. And we'll go into that in a little bit. But I don't have a whole lot more to say that I haven't already said about the Eagle and what I've said in previous videos about it. It is a fantastic, effortless BBS shave every time I use it. And I love the refinements. As I said in one of my videos, if I have a choice between scalloped and a solid bar, I always choose scalloped. I like the slight added efficiency with that. And they just shave better for me. And, well, they just feel better, I guess, is more what it is. But I don't know a more perfect razor for me than both the Eagle, Ascender Eagle, and the Ascender Skyline. I will buy the next Ascender razor that comes out, blind buy, without even knowing anything about it. I don't think that Ross can make a bad razor, honestly, or a razor that I wouldn't like. Well, if he tried, he probably could, but I don't think he ever has the intention to. Just phenomenal shaves. I let Doug Lane borrow the Eagle for a while because I had to get it out of my den. I didn't reach for any other razor because it was there and I didn't want to. And I'm the same way now about the Skyline. I have to go back to review one more razor that put on pause when I got this one in because I could not wait to use this one. But there's really not much more to say about it that I haven't already said, other than I am completely in love. This razor, along with the Eagle, will never leave my den. It is one of my go-to razors. It will always be at the ready in my bathroom, along with there are 4 others that will always be at the ready in my bathroom as far as DEs. Now, I have also some at the ready ACs and some at the ready gems. But for DEs, this is near the, if not the top of my list. Is really all I have to say about it. As far as when they're going to be released, which is what I know a lot of you are really watching this video about, because a lot of you already know how good these razors are. It was supposed to be released this past weekend. It was announced that it was going to be released either Friday or Saturday. It was even on the website. I think it's still on the website. And I asked Ross Saturday if today was the day, and he said yes. And then later in the afternoon, around 5:30-ish Central Time, he messaged me and said, it looks like it's not going to happen today. It didn't go into any detail, so I'm not sure what's going on. But he said, looks like it'll be the first of the week. So that would either be today or tomorrow, I'm assuming. Hopefully no later than Wednesday, but just keep paying attention. If I know anything, I will announce it. Sorry, I just hit my mic. I will announce it and let you guys know. But you'll just have to keep paying attention to Ascender's Instagram site, Bull Goose's site. I know Bull Goose already has their page up for this razor. And I assume they have the stock already. I don't know. I haven't been able to dig that deep into it with Ross. But just be prepared, guys. There's going to be 50 at Bull Goose, 50 at Ascender, and there'll be an additional 50 following after those sell out. So I think it's an additional 50. Yeah, I think it's only going to be 150, maybe 200. Who knows? I guess it depends on how quick they sell out. But that's all I got on this. Just that it's a fantastic razor. I didn't expect it to be any more mind-blowing than the Eagle already was. I really do love this handle a lot. Some people like the Eagle handle better, which, it's all preference, guys. But this handle, just kind of, when you look at it at certain points, the way those scallops are on the handle, they look like shadows. And it's just really neat. They look like carved shadows into it, and it gives a really beautiful effect. I can't get enough of it. Not that this handle isn't great. I think this handle's a bit more tactile, a bit more grippy, and I love it. But that's all I got. I could keep talking about this razor, but I've already said everything. You've already heard me gush over these razors for I don't know how long now. So check out, if you haven't followed Ascender or Bull Goose on Instagram, please do so. Also, if you sign up for Bull Goose's newsletter, you will get an email whenever it drops, so you can be the first in the know. Find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace